The Soocas NEOS II is basically a luxury spa for your teeth that shaves minutes off your morning routine by water flossing and brushing at the same time. The biggest win here is the efficiency because it's a hybrid. You're hitting two birds with one stone. Water flossing deep between your teeth while the electric bristles handle the surface. Usually water flossers can be a bit of a mess or run out of water quickly, but the NEOS II I find uses, it does use an intermittent spray rather than a constant stream. So this design is brilliant because even if you're a thorough brusher who takes several minutes, you won't run out of water mid-clean. Now, if you aren't in the mood for kind of that deep clean experience, you do have the option to use it just as a electric toothbrush or as a flosser or an electric toothbrush and a water flosser. So those are the options that you see over here. You can go floss and brush or just floss or just brush if you double tap this one. There's also 3 intensity modes that you can choose from depending on how sensitive your teeth are, and that's this button right over here. You can see that the lights will go from 1, 2, and 3, and that's how you can tell which mode that you're in. Now you're getting a lot of value out of the box here. It comes with 2 extra brush heads plus the specialized deep clean head that's already tucked inside the travel case with the device itself. Speaking of the case, it's a beautiful sleek white design. It's perfect for trips, but honestly it's great just to keep on your counter to protect your bristles from bathroom particles. Now also don't be afraid to get a little bit messy when you're using this. This thing is fully waterproof up to 2 meters, so you can rinse it off thoroughly under the tap or even use it in the shower without a second thought, and it makes cleaning the device incredibly easy. Now the battery on this thing is stellar. It actually comes with a proprietary charger, so if you lose this thing you won't be able to charge it. It's not a USB-C charger, so definitely keep that in mind. And the way you charge it is there's this little power icon over here. You just put this on there and it's magnetic. And you see it just slides right on, and then you plug it into the wall, and that's how you charge it. Once it's charged, it'll last you up to 30 days. Now I've had mine for about 30 days. I never even charged it in the first place, and I've been using it every day, and it's still not saying that it's close to dead, so it might even be a little bit better than advertised. Now if you're on the fence about buying this thing, they do have a 60-day hassle-free trial, and they also come with a 2-year warranty, so you can really test it out to see if this hybrid electric toothbrush water flosser thing is what you've been missing in your life. Now it also delivers up to 124 psi, which is 20% more powerful than most of the standalone water flossers, and it has been rigorously tested and is jointly recommended by dentists for up to 100% more plaque removal than just manual brushing. This is absolutely a product I would recommend. Just the time saving between, I've just gotten into water flossing and I've been using an electric toothbrush for a while, and just having both combined together, if you hate flossing like I do, this is the absolute dream. It's gonna save you time rather than brushing and then flossing or brushing and then water flossing, just to be able to do both at the same time. Huge time saver. Absolutely love this product. I'll have a link in the description for you guys if you're looking to purchase today, and I'll toss up a QR code here for you guys as well. Next up, you should check out one of the 2 videos on your screen right now. It's going to absolutely change your life. Thanks for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you next time.